Filipino food sucks. Ah, just joking. I had you guys going there for a minute. No, Filipino food is amazing and it's so underrated. That's why it's like our 100th video doing it.
Fourth or fifth.
Or, yeah, fourth or fifth, whatever. It's like I didn't know about it, and now I do know about it, and it's just, it's taking over my life.
You are so dramatic.
You're dramatic. Oh, we forgot to do the intro. What's up, my little dumplings, and welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen. Today, we are gonna be making Filipino pork adobo. And before we get started, I would like to call out one of the commenters from the last video. Yeah, that's right, I'm talking about you, Sully G. He called me out last video saying I'm wearing my boxers.
No.
Nope, I gotta do this. These are pineapple shorts, okay? And so I will not get age restricted for taking off my shorts in a video. Alright, so you're gonna grab 2 pounds of pork belly. We're gonna cut these into 1 to 2 inch cubes. Get in here, get in here. Let's put our pork pieces in a gallon-sized bag. Next, we're gonna grab 6 garlic cloves. Take your knife, put on the side, smash. And chop these up into fine pieces. Alright, and we're gonna mince up half of a white onion, because I don't like any chunked onion. I don't cry at all.
No tears?
Yeah, no tears. Like Johnson & Johnson. Oh my god. Oh, why are we doing this? So we're gonna put our garlic and our onion into the bag. 1/3 of a cup of soy sauce and 1/3 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. Alright, so we're gonna mix that up a bit. We're gonna let that sit in the fridge for at least 30 minutes.
Dense, pineapple pens. Dense, pineapple pens. Dense.
Alright, the pork's been marinating. Let's start cooking it. Alright, so let's strain this meat. Because I want to dry it out and get a good sear on it before we put that marinade back in. Alright. We're gonna put that in later.
Got you.
So we got a pan on medium-high heat. We're gonna put about a tablespoon of oil in there. This is grapeseed oil. Alright, let's put our pork in. Want to get a nice sear. Look at that sear. Alright, this is seared off. Let's add our marinade back into the pan, along with 1 cup of water and 2 bay leaves. We're gonna bring that up to a boil. We're gonna turn the heat down to low and cover it up and let it simmer for about 40 minutes. Alright, that's been cooking for 40 minutes. We're gonna take the lid off. We're gonna let it simmer for about 5 more minutes. Alright, this is ready to go. Alright, let's throw this in a bowl. And let's just top that off with a little bit of parsley. And you got Filipino pork adobo. Now this can be served with rice, hard-boiled eggs, or potatoes, but we're just gonna eat it by itself. Wow, whoa, that packs a ton of flavor. Oh man, oh, Paris Flowers, you tried our chicken adobo, you've gotta try this pork adobo. Filipino pork adobo. Filipino pork adobo. Filipino pork adobo. Why am I up? Thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked that video, smash that like button. If you guys want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Ding the little notification bell. We're doing new videos every week. Also throw a comment down below. Just say what's up. Let me know what you guys want to see. Thank you. Alright, you can turn the camera off so that we don't capture anything stupid.